Hello, my name is Mithul Jain and in this video I will demonstrate how you can create a Facebook application within a few minutes without need to code a line. All you need to do is access to this wonderful tool known as FB App Maker. To start with, let us create an application in Facebook. Click on this button, create new application, and here we need to write in name of our new application. A app namespace. A namespace is like username to the applications. It must be unique and it must be available. Click continue. Perform the security checks. Here on this page, Facebook has provided us with some vital information that was needed to create an application, like application ID, application secret, and canvas page URL. Please click on app on Facebook on this page like I just did, and now switch back to the app maker. Add an app here as well. The application name should be the same as we have entered in Facebook. Let me copy and paste to be double sure. FB URL is the URL that Facebook has created for us. Application ID and the application secret, and tell users what your application does. And you need to have a background image for your application. I have created mine in Photoshop and you can create yours and import it. Now application maker is telling us that our canvas URL should be this, which we need to copy and paste in the Facebook, and secure canvas URL should be this. Now we can save changes at Facebook. Now here we just need to mark the points where profile pictures of users' friends should appear. To mark the point, simply drag this box over to the places where the pictures are supposed to appear, just like I did. Now as you can notice that the background image of this particular application is very light, hence the white background of the box makes it difficult for me to move around. So I can just click on it and delete this box and change the color to something more visible. Please note that this is just for our visual aid. The color will not appear in the actual application. In the actual application, user's friend's profile picture will appear in place of this box. So it is absolutely safe to use any color. I just use black in this case. I have placed that box. I just need to place all the boxes at places. I have already created the places in Photoshop. Now that we have created the hardest part of the application, now let's save it and test the application. And yes, this is ready and live. And here at the application screen, user sees 10 of his friends randomly chosen by the application. However, the user has privilege to change them if he wants to. To replace a friend, user just needs to click on the profile picture of the friend whom he wants to replace and type in the name of the friends with whom he wants to replace this. And we just replaced a friend. Let's try that one more time. I will just click on this picture and type in the name of the friend with whom I want to replace him, and yes, the friend has been replaced again. The user can do this as many times as he wants on as many people as he wants, and once he is satisfied with the selection, he can click on publish, and once he clicks on publish, the application will reconfirm his selection, and if the user is still not convinced with the selection, he can click on no, I will reselect and make the adjustments again. To the right of it are the instructions that I just narrated, followed by an advertisement block, and here is another advertisement block and another advertisement block. And in the footer, the user can see all of your other applications. User can click on any one of them to navigate to that application. Let us now publish the image. Let me click on the publish button, and here it shows the confirmation dialog box. That is, the user is pretty much sure of the selection before he publishes the image, thereby reducing the chances of negative feedback, and hence our application will last much longer. So I will just click on OK to confirm and post these changes. After the user has clicked on the publish button, he is presented with this screen where he must like at least 5 pages to continue. While the user is liking these pages, he is unaware of the fact that the image has already been published on his wall and the friends he chose have already been tagged in. And after the user has liked 5 pages, he is presented with this screen where he must complete at least one offer to proceed. By this point of time, you must have already analyzed the potential and the power of the system. The user was presented with 3 advertisement blocks in the very beginning. That means you are going to earn from advertisements for sure. And then this image was uploaded to the user's Facebook profile and all the chosen friends were tagged in. In other words, this particular image with the link to your application is currently in the news feed of all the friends of the profile owner and in the news feeds of all the friends of the tagged in people. A Facebook profile has a friend list of 500 to 5000 people. Let's assume the average to be 1000 friends per profile. Then this particular image is in the news feeds of 1000 friends of the profile owner and 1000 friends of the tagged in people, totaling to 11,000 people. This particular image is in the news feed of 11,000 people. Moreover, the default privacy setting for this image has been set to public. That means if anyone likes or comments on this image, then the image will be shown in the newsfeed of his friends as well. In other words, add 1000 viewers for every comment or like. Just think, with every share, how viral can your application get? And after that, the user was presented with the mandatory like screen, where he must like at least 5 pages to continue. Just imagine the power of building your own large pages without any effort. Pages can serve as a free advertising space, or you can sell them later if you do not want them. That leads the user to this screen where he must complete at least one lavishly paying offer before he can continue. If you are into internet marketing, by now you must have realized the power of this system. This is the best tool ever created to make money online. However, if you are new to internet marketing, you now know a secret weapon to make money online. There are innumerous types of applications that can be made using the app maker. Apart from the one that we just saw, let us see a few other applications that can be made using the app maker. Let us start by creating an application who has crush on you. For that we need 2 pictures, one of the profile owner and one of his crush. Let us start by dragging this box over here. I will just make it resizable so as to drag it to the boundary of the container box. I want to make sure that this particular box shows the picture of the profile owner, not of his friends. So let me set the option to profile owner here. Now I want this box to be of the same size of this box. So I can directly copy the size from here and paste it here so that the new box that is dragged is of the same size. I can place it here and set the option to random friends where the gender is exactly opposite to the gender of the profile owner, so that if the profile owner is male, a female photograph will be shown here, and if the gender is female, a male photograph will be shown here. Now I want to show the name of the crush over here, so I must click on this box and drag add name option to here. Now I can set its font size and color by clicking here, and I will set the font size somewhat bigger and color towards red. Probably we can use some dark color. Okay, the color looks good, and we have option to show the name as a full name or first name. Let me set it to first name only, and it can either be in intercapping, uppercase or lowercase. I guess uppercase would look good, and I will increase the size a little further and I will place it somewhat over here. Okay, so I just need to save this and the application is ready. Another type of application that we can create using AppMaker is the one where only the picture of profile owner is required. For that I just need to drag the box over here, adjust its size, make it profile owner only, and probably we can add a name as well. Let me set the color to somewhat visible. Size should be a little bit larger, and I will move it over to here. That's it. So there are innumerous types of application that you can create using AppMaker. All it depends on your imagination. That's all. Thank you for watching. May you earn a lot using this wonderful tool.